893, 894. Just kidding. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been starting to take things off the Beetle, maybe kind of doing a different look. So that's what we're doing. I ripped all the bottle caps off, and I ripped I ripped the badge off the deck lid. I'm gonna take this off also. Just feeling some change. But I've been doing bottle caps since 2005, so it's been a while. I'd like to eventually get this restored, so I'm hoping to get that, maybe get more of a stock look, and so we'll work on that over time. But next up, I gotta find out why this battery keeps draining. I don't know if the battery's bad or if we just have a draw. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the negative terminal off and put a meter between that and the negative post and kind of see if there's a draw. If there's a draw, I'm gonna start pulling fuses and see where that draw stops. From that point, we're gonna go ahead and see what is on that fuse. And I'll just pull a wire. Once I find out which one it is, I'll pull a wire and test that process on each fuse and see where it's coming from. That's what we're gonna go ahead and do now.